Um, the ARM to acquire AI networking chip started dream big for $265 million. The transaction is expected to close by the end of the fourth quarter of the fiscal year ending March 31st, 2026, subject to customary closing conditions, including the receipt of the regularly approved software backed from SAD. New Delhi. British chip designer ARM Holdings has agreed to acquire all outstanding shares in artificial intelligence AI networking chip maker DreamBig Semiconductor for $265 billion. In October 2025, the company entered into a definitive agreement to acquire all of the outstanding equity interest of DreamBig Semiconductor Incorporation for approximately $265 million in cash, subject to purchase price adjustments. ARM said in regulatory filing recently. The transaction is expected to close by the end of the fourth quarter of the fiscal year ending March 31st, 2026, subject to customary closing conditions, including the receipt of the regulatory approvals. The SoftBank-backed firm said. DreamBig was founded in 2019 by Sohail Said, a former top executive at Marvell Semiconductor. The San Jose, California headquarters startup is developing chiplet technologies for data centers with hardware specifically designed to run AI applications. This January, DreamBig unveiled its Mercury AI Super NIC, which is said can connect graphics processing units (GPUs) with unparalleled efficiency. Graphic chips have assumed a central role in the AI era, offering higher parallel processing speeds than central processing units (CPUs). DreamBig, however, does not manufacture its own chips, but instead licenses the design to other semiconductor companies. According to an SDX Central report, the startup has had a partnership with Samsung's foundry division to bring its hardware to market. Okay. Next one is NVIDIA and Synopsys announced a strategic partnership to revolutionize engineering and design. NVIDIA and Synopsys announced strategic partnership to revolutionize engineering and design. Key highlights. Vertical collaboration spans NVIDIA CUDA accelerated computing and agentic and physical AI and Omniverse digital twins to achieve simulation speed and scale previously unattainable through traditional CPU computing, opening a new market opportunities across engineering. The further adoption of GPU accelerated engineering solutions. These companies will collaborate in engineering and marketing activities. NVIDIA invested $2 billion in Synopsys common stock. Sunnyvale, California, December 1st, 2025. NVIDIA and Synopsys Incorporation today announced an expanded strategic partnership to revolutionize design and engineering across industries. R&D team from the semiconductor industry to aerospace and automotive industry and beyond face significant engineering challenges, including increasing workflow complexity, escalating development costs, and time to market pressure. This expanded partnership will integrate the strengths of the NVIDIA's AI and accelerated computing with Synopsys market-leading engineering solutions to deliver capabilities, enabling R&D teams to design, simulate, and verify intelligence products with greater precision, speed, and at lower cost. In addition, NVIDIA invested $2 billion in Synopsys common stock at a purchase price of $414.79 per share. CUDA GPU accelerated computing is revolutionizing design, enabling simulation and unprecedented speed and scale from atoms to transistors, from chips to complex systems, creating fully functional digital twins inside the computer, said Jensen Huang, the founder and CEO of NVIDIA. Our partnership with Synopsys harnessed the power of NVIDIA, accelerated computing, and AI to reimagine engineering and design, empowering engineers to invent the extraordinary products that will shape our future. The complexity and cost of developing next-generation intelligent systems of demanded engineering solutions with a deeper integration of electronics and physics accelerated by AI capabilities and compute. No two companies are better positioned to deliver AI-powered holistic system design solutions than Synopsys and NVIDIA, said Sassine Ghazi, President and CEO of Synopsys. Together, we will re-engineer engineering and empower innovators everywhere to more efficiently realize their innovations. Joint development to enable future of engineering on accelerated computing. The multi-year partnership builds on a strong and existing technology collaborations between the companies and includes the following initiatives. Broadly accelerated Synopsys applications. Using NVIDIA CUDA X libraries and AI physics technology, Synopsys will further accelerate and optimize its broader portfolio of compute-intensive applications spanning chip design, physical verification, molecular simulations, electromagnetic analysis, optics simulation, and more. Advanced agentic AI engineering, building on the existing AI collaboration to enable agentic AI workflows, the companies are integrating Synopsys agent engineering technology with the NVIDIA agentic AI technology stack, including NVIDIA NeMo microprocessor services and NVIDIA NeMo Agent Toolkit software and NVIDIA Nemotron models to enable autonomous design capabilities for EDA and simulation and analysis workflows. Connect the physical and digital worlds through digital twins. The companies will collaborate to enable the next generation of virtual design, testing, and validation through the use of highly accurate and sophisticated digital twins for industries such as semiconductor, robotics, aerospace, automotive, energy, industrial, healthcare, and beyond. These solutions will utilize NVIDIA's Omniverse, NVIDIA's Cosmos, and other technologies. Cloud-ready solutions. Synopsys and NVIDIA's plan to make the power of accelerated engineering solutions accessible to engineering teams of all sizes by enabling cloud access for GPU-accelerated engineering solutions. Develop joint go-to-market initiatives to drive market adoption. The companies also have agreed to develop joint go-to-market initiatives to broadly reach engineering teams across multiple industries with both on-premise and cloud-ready solutions. This go-to-market effort to utilize the Synopsys global network of thousands of direct sellers and channel partners, building on a Synopsys broad customers based on existing agreement to license, sell, and support Omniverse technology embedded in Synopsys simulation solutions. This partnership is not exclusive. NVIDIA and Synopsys continue to partner with the broader semiconductor and electronic design automation (EDA) ecosystem to create shared growth opportunities for the future of engineering and design. Okay, press conference. The CEOs of NVIDIA and Synopsys will conduct a webcast press conference today at 8 a.m. PST, 10 a.m. EST to discuss the announcement. The webcast will be available for the public to listen in. Here. Okay. Thank you for your time. See you next time. That's the release of the Marvel. The Marvel to acquire the Celestial AI, accelerating the scale-up connectivity for next-generation data centers, December 2nd, 2025. Celestial AI breakthrough the photonic fabric technology platform enables optic I/O for package system and rack-level connectivity for the next generation of data center infrastructure. Santa Clara, California. The Marvel Technology Incorporation, a leader in the data infrastructure semiconductor solution, today announced it has entered into a definitive agreement to acquire Celestial AI, a pioneer of a disruptive photonic fabric technology platform purpose-built for a scale-up optical interconnect. This strategic acquisition represents a transformation milestone in accelerating the company connectivity strategy for next-generation AI and cloud data centers. AI is reshaping data center architectures at unprecedented speed. Next-generation accelerator systems are no longer confined to a single rack. They are evolving into multi-rack configuration, connecting hundreds of XPUs with an integrated high bandwidth, ultra-low latency, and to any scale-up fabric. This architecture allows each XPU to access the memory of memory other XPU directly. These advanced fabrics demand purpose-built switches and protocols such as UA-Link, engineers to deliver the performance and efficiency required at scale. Given the power, bandwidth, latency, and rich requirement of multi-lag scale-up fabric, interconnect will increasingly transition to all optic connections. This acquisition positions Marvel to lead this technology shift and capture a brand new semiconductor TAM for optical interconnect. Combined with the existing leadership and scale-out and scale-across connectivity, Marvel expects this expanded portfolio will result in the industry's most comprehensive provider of high bandwidth and low power, low latency solution for the next generation data center connectivity. The acquisition of the Celestial AI is a transformative step in Marvel's evolution and expands our leadership in AI connectivity as scale-up becomes the next frontier in AI infrastructure, said Matt Murphy, Chairman and CEO of Marvel. This builds on our technology leadership, broadens our addressable market in scale-up connectivity, and accelerates our roadmap to deliver the industry's most complete connectivity platform for AI and cloud customers. So, AI infrastructure is transforming faster than ever, and the future demands scale-up the fabric that will deliver unprecedented bandwidth, power efficiency, and reach, said Sandeep Bharati, President Data Center Group. By combining our UA-Link scale-up switch roadmap and Celestial AI's breakthrough optical scale-up interconnect, we will enable customers to build AI systems that scale beyond the limits of copper and redefine what's possible in AI data center architecture. So at AWS, we aimed to be the forefront of the major technology inflection, and we believe the optical interconnect will play an important role in the future of AI infrastructure. Building a scalable, high-performance, and power-efficient cloud starts with an approach built upon a differentiated technologies, said Dave Brown, Vice President of Compute and Machine Learning Services at AWS. Celestial AI has made impressive progress, and we expect their combination with a large-scale semiconductor company like Marvell will help further accelerate optical scale-up innovation for next-generation AI deployment. Celestial AI, breakthrough photonic fabric technology platform for scale-up interconnect. As bandwidth and reach continue to increase, every connection point in the data center must move from copper to optic. For rack-to-rack scale-out and data center to data center DCI interconnections, this transition has already taken place. The next inflection point is within the rack, within the system, and even within a package, where the electrical connections must not give way to optics. Celestial AI photonic fabric technology platform was purpose-built for this fraction. It enables large AI clusters to scale both within and across racks using a high bandwidth, a low latency, and low power and cost-effective optical fabric. This breakthrough delivers a true optical solution with more than 2 times the power efficiency of the copper interconnects, along with a far longer reach and significantly higher bandwidth. Compared to alternative photonic technologies, Celestial AI solutions provide exceptionally low power consumption, nanosecond-class latency, and excellent thermal stability, enabling deeper levels of the optic interconnectivity into XPUs and switch systems. The thermal stability of the Celestial AI photonic fabric technology is a significant competitive differentiator. It enables reliable operations in extreme thermal environments created by large and multi-kilowatt XPUs and switches. This allows the photonics technology to be co-packaged vertically with high-power XPUs and switches in 3D package, enabling the photonic connection to be made directly into the XPU, rather from the edge of die. The Celestial AI approach results in a more compacted integration solutions while freeing up highly valuable die edge pitch form, which can be repurposed to significantly increase the amount of HBM within the XPU package. The first application of this technology platform will be all optical scale-up interconnects as a high-speed XPU links transition from copper to optics to meet the reach and bandwidth demands of next generation rack scale architectures. Celestial AI first generation photonic fabric chiplet for scale up interconnect integrates all the required electrical and optical components into a compact form factor. It is industry first scale up optic solutions, delivering an unprecedented 16 terabits per second of bandwidth in a single chiplet, 10 times the capacity of the today's state-of-the-art 1.6 tera ports used in scale-out applications. Its compact form factors allows multiple PF chiplets to be co-packaged with XPUs and the scale-up switches on the opposite side of the link, enabling substantial increases in total system bandwidth. Celestial AI is deeply engaged with multiple hyperscalers and ecosystem partners that plans to use Celestial AI's photonic fabric technology in their next-generation scale-up architectures. Based on existing customer transaction, Marvell expects Celestial AI Photonic Fabric chiplet to be co-packaged with custom XPUs and scale-up switches and enabling the industry-first large-scale commercial deployment of optic interconnect for scale-up connectivity. Marvell expects meaningful revenue contributions from Celestial AI to begin to the second half of fiscal 2028, reaching a $5 million annualized run rate in the fourth quarter of fiscal 2028, doubling to a $1 billion run rate by the fourth quarter of the fiscal 2029. Beyond connecting the XPUs in scale-up networks, Celestial AI Photonic Fabric technology platform can enable a wide range of the transformational applications over time, including pooled memory appliances and optical replacement for traditional electrical die-to-die interconnection in multi-packages. Marvell is the ideal home for our photonic fabric, with the scaling customer relationships and connectivity leadership to take this platform into high-volume production, said David Lajovsky, co-founder and CEO of Celestial AI. Together with the Marvell scale-up switching strategy, we are excited to accelerate the transition to optical scale-up interconnect and expand the watch next-generation AI infrastructure can achieve. Transaction structures and terms. Marvell will acquire Celestial AI for the upfront consideration valued at approximately $3.25 billion, consisting of the $1.0 billion in cash, as well as approximately 27.2 billion shares of the Marvell common stock, having a value of the $2.25 billion based on the average volume weighted average price VWAP for the 10 trading days, including the second day prior to signing. Additionally, Marvell will pay the Celestial AI equity holders incremental contingent consideration of up to approximately $27.2 billion shares of Marvell common stock, having a value of up to $2.25 billion based on the same 10 trading day VWAP upon satisfaction of the certain revenue milestone. The first milestone, representing 1/3 of the year on our consideration, will be achieved if the Celestial AI reaches cumulative revenue of less than $500 million by the end of the Marvell fiscal year 2029. The full earn-out would be paid if the Celestial AI's cumulative revenue by the end of the Marvell fiscal year 2029 exceed $2.0 billion. The transaction is expected to close in the first quarter of calendar 2026, subject to customary closing conditions or regulatory approvals. Conference call information. Further discussion of this transaction will be included as part of the Marvell's fiscal third quarter earnings conference call today at 1:45 p.m. Pacific Time. The call will be the webcast and can access it at the Marvell Investor Relations website at investor.marvell.com. Advisor. Wilson Sonsini Goodrich and Rosati is serving as Marvell's legal advisor, and Citi is serving as exclusive financial advisor to the Marvell. Lotham and Dwoskin is serving as legal advisor to the Celestial AI, and Morgan Stanley is serving as exclusive financial advisors. About Marvell, to deliver data infrastructure technology that connect the world, we are building the solution, the most powerful foundation, our partnerships with our customers. Trusted by the world-leading technology companies for over 30 years, we move, store, process, and secure the world's data with semiconductor solutions designed for our customers' current needs and future ambitions. Through a process of deep collaboration and transparency, we were ultimately changing the way the tomorrow enterprise cloud and carrier architecture transform for the better. Of the Celestial AI. Celestial AI is the cradle of the Photonic Fabric, an optic interconnect technology platform for AI computing systems. The Photonic Fabric provided the foundational technology for the data center computing, networking, and memory systems to enable advancement in AI with sustainable and profitable business models. Celestial AI's Photonic Fabric delivers a transformative leap in AI system performance and energy efficiency. Celestial AI and Photonic Fabric are trademarks of the Celestial AI Incorporation, registered in the US and other countries for the region. This press to the blah 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 blah. Okay, thank you for your time. See you next time.